Understanding the phrase, bite your tongue, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, bite your tongue. We'll delve into its meaning, usage, and origins to help you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. So, let's get started. Bite your tongue is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to stop yourself from saying something that you really want to say, usually because it is inappropriate, might be hurtful, or could cause trouble. It's like holding back your words at the last moment. This phrase is often used in situations where speaking your mind could lead to an argument or awkwardness. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase. 1. I wanted to criticize his decision, but I had to bite my tongue because it was not the right moment. 2. During the meeting, I almost told him off, but I decided to bite my tongue and keep the peace. In these examples, the speaker is consciously choosing not to say something potentially problematic. The idiom, bite your tongue, has been in use for centuries. It is believed to originate from the physical act of accidentally biting one's tongue, which causes immediate pain and stops one from speaking momentarily. This physical reaction metaphorically represents the effort of stopping oneself from saying something inopportune. This phrase is used in both formal and informal settings. It is appropriate in any situation where you find yourself wanting to say something that might be better left unsaid. Whether in a professional meeting or a casual conversation, knowing when to bite your tongue can be a valuable social skill. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, bite your tongue. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and timing of using them. So, the next time you find yourself in a situation where you might say something regrettable, think about whether it's a moment to bite your tongue. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!